So it's our last day here. This biscuits that Hat made us and bacon for breakfast. It's Dad's birthday. Happy birthday. And we're gonna go on a hike today. So today we're at Helen Falls, and you can see behind me, it's just so cool, and like, it's amazing. It is almost 6 o'clock of our last night, super sad. We are leaving here tomorrow, I think by 9, our flight is for 11, I believe. Then we gotta get to Vistec by 6 to return equipment, and by 8 to return equipment to school. So my dad is going in the sauna with Michael. It's Dad's birthday. And then Dad's looking at me through the window. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dwayne. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, you got them all. What the?
Oh, that's awesome.
Oh, that is so cool. Wow. Thank you guys.
Aww,
That's great.
That's awesome.
Holy shit.
See?
That actually kind of looks like me-ish.
No way. That's wicked.
Aww.